What are you doing?
Switching the wiper blades. Alright, Bosch 20 inches for the Joker. Notice on this one right here, reason we're doing it, it's busted. Very easy fix. Go in the store, buy your wiper blades, don't be lazy. Switch it out. I say that and that's gonna be really difficult for me to do because I'm, there it is. All kinds of out. That's one. I'm gonna drop that on the ground because that's trash. That's nails, knife, anything.
Having trouble?
Yeah, a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna bust right through the packaging. That's as easy as sliding it through and attaching it. Boom. Do it again on the other side. Maybe this time have less problems with the packaging. Always replace them in twos. Be careful so as not to spring the old blade without the blades on it onto your windshield. It'll crack it. Much bigger issue. More money. You don't want that. It's not more money. Is all kinds of locked in. Nice test run real quick here, which is an easy access dumpster, but whatever.
I'll hold those for you.
That's all right. Let's make sure it works, right? Doesn't fly off.